Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing some tips on how to make money online with user testing. User testing is a platform that provides user experience research and usability testing services. It helps companies understand how real users interact with their products, websites, apps, and other digital assets by gathering feedback through video recordings and other data collection methods. These are some testimonials from people who have been using this platform as a source of extra income. Making money on user testing involves becoming a tester and participating in usability tests. Some of the tips that you can do to earn more extra money is, first, take practice tests seriously. During the practice test, speak clearly and provide detailed feedback. This sets the stage for the types of tests you'll be eligible for. Make sure to follow all instructions carefully and demonstrate good usability testing practices. Also, be proactive. Tests are often available on first-come, first-served basis. Check the user testing dashboard frequently throughout the day. You can turn on email or app notifications to get alerts for new test opportunities. Another thing to remember is to provide high-quality feedback. Offer honest, thorough, and constructive feedback. Also, ensure you understand and follow the task instructions. Rewatch or reread them if necessary. Additionally, diversify test types. Take tests on various devices such as desktop, tablet, or smartphone if possible. Also, participate in different types of tests, such as live conversations, recorded tests, and surveys. While user testing can be a great way to earn some extra income, there are several disadvantages to consider, such as inconsistent income, low pay for some tests, high standards for feedback, and potential privacy concerns. It is best suited for those looking for supplemental income and who are comfortable with the fluctuating availability of work and the technical requirements involved. But if you are ready to do this and want to earn some extra cash, you may submit your email and take a quick practice test on their website. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.